Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L1800 printer driver in a Windows 7 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to the computer, right click on the computer, click on the properties. In properties, we find system type. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. If system type is 32-bit, then that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. This machine is 32-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our driver. That is very easy. Go to the any web browser and type Epson L1800 printer driver in search and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link. Here we find official website of the Epson L1800. Scroll down and here we find our operating system. Our operating system is Windows 7. It is right, but our bit is not right. If your operating system is not right or bit is not right, then go to the here and select your operating system and bit. If Windows 7, then go to the Windows 7. 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. If 64-bit, then go to the 64-bit. I go to the Windows 7 32-bit and click on the go. It's refresh your page and new drivers is available on your web page. Scroll down. Here we find drivers. Click on drivers plus button. Expand it. Here we find printer driver for our Windows. Click at here. Download. Click on download. It's redirect you to the another page. Click on the accept. And our download is started at here. It's take few minutes to complete our download. Click at here. Show all. Show in a folder. Minimize it or close it. Drag this setup file to desktop and close the upper window. Here we find our setup file. This setup file is actually zip file and we are going to extract this zip file. Right click on it. Here we find extract files. Click on the OK. Here we find extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it. Here is our drivers. Close it. And we are going to install this driver manually. That is very easy and simple process. Go to the start. Click on the control panel. In a control panel, we find devices and printers. Click on a devices and printers. In a devices and printers, we find add a printer. Click on add a printer. Click on add a printer. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, we find add a local printer. Click on add a local printer. Here we find existing port. Click at here. Port is the most IMP part. Click at here. And if you find any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, 003, 004, select any USB port that you find. Select your USB port. Click on the next. Click on have a disk. Browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find one folder. Double click on this folder. Newly created printer folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers. Select our drivers. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Epson L1800 series printer. It is a series printer. Select that. There is one problem. Here we find yellow triangle. This driver is not digitally signed and it's Q one error and we fix this error in next step. So go to the here next. And here we find our printer name. You can give any printer name that you want. I give Epson L1800. Select the next. Click on the next. And here we find our error in few seconds. Here is our error. Windows security. Windows cannot verify the publisher of this driver software. Windows is not find publisher of this driver. That's why this error is appear on our screen. The solution is very simple. Click on this. Install this software anyway. Click on install this software anyway and error is gone. And it's starting install your printer on your Windows 7 PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly working on our Windows 7 PC or laptop. That is very easy. Go to the start, control panel, devices and printers. And if you find Epson L1800 at this point on our printer, that means our printer is properly installed in our Windows 7 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.